Welcome to Block 7, where we explore inspiring home designs to help you create your dream home. Today, we're diving into House B, a remarkable renovation project located in Brunswick, Australia. Designed by Kart Projects architecture, this 152-square-meter home perfectly blends tradition with modernity. Completed in 2024, House B showcases intelligent design solutions and serves as an inspiration for young families seeking a bright, functional, and multifaceted living space. This project began with a significant challenge: a heritage terrace house burdened by over 6 decades of accumulated extensions. The result was a dark, confined space far from ideal for a young family. The architects addressed this by introducing a bold new extension, characterized by a translucent glass wall. This feature not only floods the interior with natural light, but also creates a unique visual effect. The wall allows soft light to filter through while maintaining privacy and displaying intriguing silhouettes of movement behind it, adding an artistic element to the home's facade. Honoring the historical essence of the original house was a priority for this project. The front section, facing the street, retains its intricate ornamental details, celebrating its heritage amidst a traditionally rich neighborhood. Meanwhile, the new extension gently slopes down over the living spaces and rises towards the rear of the property. This approach prevents overshadowing neighboring properties and ensures that natural light streams into the newly added internal courtyard, fostering a connection between indoors and outdoors. The architects employed a clever strategy to maximize efficiency without significantly expanding the building's footprint. The home is divided into 2 main zones. The heritage section at the front houses bedrooms for children and guests, while the new extension at the rear provides a private retreat for the parents. The master suite is elevated above the garage for added privacy. The living and dining areas are connected by a striking steel-framed opening, creating a seamless flow of bright and open spaces. Each area is thoughtfully designed to be multifunctional, ensuring comfort and practicality for the family. The beauty of House B lies in its seamless blend of old and new materials. Bricks salvaged from the demolished sections of the original house were cleaned and repurposed, adding a touch of authenticity and sustainability. The extension features a mix of steel frames, glass, and plywood, delivering a minimalist and modern aesthetic. Additionally, materials and finishes are intentionally grouped by color or texture to define different areas of the house. The bright, stripped-back modern spaces of the extension provide a perfect contrast to the detailed ornamentation of the heritage section. Sustainability plays a key role in this project. The homeowners actively participated in the construction process, reducing the need for specialized labor and lowering costs. Many materials were recycled or adapted from offcuts, making the project both budget-friendly and environmentally conscious. This approach highlights how creative and sustainable design can be achieved without compromising on quality or style. House B exemplifies how an old home can be revitalized through innovative and sustainable design. By harmonizing traditional elements with modern features, this home offers a bright, comfortable, and efficient space while preserving its historical roots. This project proves that the balance between functionality, aesthetics, and sustainability is achievable with thoughtful planning. May House B inspire you as you embark on your own home transformation journey.